If you have a Chromebook and you'd like to use the page up and page down feature on a keyboard, most Chromebook keyboards don't have the page up and page down. So you can see it's pretty dusty. I'm sorry, I'll clean that next time. So if you want to go page up and page down, one way I think is to press the Alt key. Alt key usually does an alternate key, and then using the up or down arrow key, it should do hopefully page up and page down. So I'm going to try it over here. Pressing Alt, down, 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 and it seems to work where it's page up, page down. Conversely, there's another way, and it's using the search key. You press the search key along with the arrow up and down key, you can do page up and page down. So I'll show that. So if you press the search over here, press down, it does page up, page down. I mean, it does page down, page down, page up, page up. Now for home and end, that's a different story. I need to research that or go into the shortcuts key, which I'll show again in this tutorial. You move your mouse over to the bottom left, click on the circle over here, and then type shortcut. So I'm going to type shortcut, and then it has shortcuts over here. And hopefully on these shortcuts, it'll show you how to do end or home. So you just go through the menus and try to find it. I'll try doing that. Oh, might as well do it while I'm here. End. So it says you can go to the end of a document by pressing Control, Search, and Write. So let's go try that. So again, it says Control, Search, and Write. Control, Search, and Write will go to the end of the document. I'm not sure it works. So that's my dilemma. If I do, so I'm going down the page, and I'm going to do Control, Search, and then the left key. And hopefully it takes me back home to the very beginning. And that seems to work. So I'll put it in the description. Hopefully it helps someone.